Hey everyone, Okana here. I'm going to talk about a couple of forecasts on two different assets, EURUSD and USDJPY. They seem to be in negative correlation, one moving up, one moving down. So I start with EURUSD here. So I have this main trend line here I've been using all week. So this first touch here, basically we connected these 2 points. Let me adjust the line a little bit. So we connected these 2 points, actually 3 points. This was last week, and then we expected price to come here, which it did. So we traded towards this area in the Skype group, and now if we look at the trend, you see price breaking, dropping, breaking, dropping to the line again and again. And here we see the moving average 200 is intercepting this line at 1.33. Based on this support resistance here, we can see that this is the hourly time frame. If we look at it on the 4 hour, we can see the same thing. Very large support here. On the daily, we can also see here this breakout. But here we see that support was lower, so price could be moving even lower later on. But for now we have this target to trade towards, and we can see the trend here: retracement followed by a drop, retracement followed by a drop, retracement followed by a potential drop. Now these two candles look pretty good. They're pushed down, looking like pin bars, but pin bar alone doesn't tell you much. You have to look at the overall pattern and price action, and we can see here the previous breaks, like from this area and from this area here. You see that step by step price is repeating that here as well. So I'm going to remove all these lines because we want to have a clean chart. We don't need those. So this is my forecast for EURUSD, that it will, if this line is broken, now the hourly candle could still close above, make another retracement before it's dropping, but right now it looks pretty engulfing. But there is 30 minutes left, so this could be dropping all the way down here just like before, so we could be trading towards this target. Okay, so EURUSD bearish. Now if we go to USDJPY, on the other hand, we go to higher time frames, we can see the trend is going up. Now if we go to daily and weekly, so I have two lines here. So the weekly, we can see a resistance here, which is where price hit yesterday, and we can see that here, hit yesterday and it dropped exactly on that point. This was the weekly resistance. And now if we go to daily here, we can see the next target, the next high after this area is here, 114.3 approximately. Okay, 114.3 approximately. So negative correlation, one moving up towards a resistance, one moving towards a support. And overall we can see USDJPY is extremely bullish, large candle here moving up. Even this red candle got pushed up, so the forecast looks pretty bullish on the long term. And USDJPY, EURUSD, sorry, we see that it's coming down, so it might hit support here and then retrace and then continue, and then continue back. So this could be a retracement for now, because EURUSD is also at resistance. If you look at it on the weekly here, we see this top here from before, so this is approximately where it reached, and when it drops, so the next step could be even higher, coming up to this EMA 200 on the weekly, which is based on the top of this last candle here. So that could be an area for later. So those are the forecasts that we can use. Here on the 30 minute, we can see a large bearish candle engulfing these candles, and it closed below this trend line here based on these two areas. We could draw a different type of trend line going from here instead. You can see it's still broken, and from this top, this one and this bottom, you can see that it's still broken. And also I like like I said, a large candle closing engulfing these previous candles. That's pretty good. So, and we can look back, like last time we also had this confirmation. Look at this, we got the bounce, the drop, the bounce, and then a large candle engulfing the previous ones, and this is pretty much what happened here. We got a bounce, drop, and bounce, and then a large candle engulfing, and then came a couple of hours of dropping before some retracement. So that's could be expected based on those patterns. And the daily, as we can see, it broke the resistance on the USDJPY. The daily chart, you can see it's broken, it became support, it's continuing. So I'm personally in a long for USDJPY, and I'm shorting EURUSD. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Even if you are watching this later when this already happened, if you're watching this video tomorrow, you can still learn from these analyses. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video.